Welcome one and all, we have perfect blue skies and quite a contest ahead of us. This really is a feel-good football match. I'm Peter Drury, and providing analysis and expert opinion alongside me will be Jim Beglin.
Well, thanks, Peter. There's a great sense of anticipation in this stadium, and I've been hit by it too.
Colours vivid and vibrant, songs loud and proud. The tone for this game is well and truly set. We have already started here. Yes, of course, round two between these two. I wonder what we expect this time. Now it's Cavani. Now it's Yildiz. Now it's Cavani. He's had a shot! And for a moment, time stood still. And we have our very first corner. And the cross comes in. And that has been knocked clear. And now a sudden chance to counter. Couldn't squeeze it through. And here's Elise. Shot a goal! And again! That's really well cleared.
Well, it's been a very attacking start here. It's looking good for them if they can maintain what we've seen.
It's Cavani! Oh, and they really should have been made to pay.
Well, let that be a lesson to them. If they don't stay focused all the time, they're going to be made to pay.
So, Jim, what are you thinking?
Well, it's plain for all to see who has settled into this game with the greater superiority. Now for a goal.
Deftly away. And he's there to retrieve it. Jim, you've played in games of this nature. Who can make the difference?
Well, I get the feeling, Peter, that this guy, Michael Elise, will be very much on show here. He's, I think, superb in that position on the right-hand side. I don't want to see him moved anywhere else in the team because he's expert in that area. And I think the next phase in his career now is to start scoring more goals. He's already pretty proficient at that, but he's good enough to add many more goals to his game, and he could do some damage here too.
Yeah, the easiest way to make a difference is to score, so no argument there. Park Ji-sung. That's a good ball out wide. Olise in acres of space out wide. It's Luke. And another try! Goal! Manchester United! Manchester United take the lead. Not so much sophistication as doggedness and sheer bloody-mindedness.
Yeah, he showed great reactions there. Right place, right time, easy pickings.
Manchester United have taken the lead.
Well, I think the next 5 to 10 minutes will call for real focus as the opposition will inevitably react.
Great vision. Oh, good spread. And he's had it nicked away. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. Manchester United leading then, courtesy of the goal scored late in the first half here. 1-0 the score. And he can clear it away.
Added time.
That's gone for a throw-in. And the half-time whistle goes. A very combative, competitive half with just the one decisive moments. And it's 1-0 at the break.
United. Number 11, Yildiz.
Here we go again then.
Number 18,
Well, it's been tight, Peter, but I'm expecting things to open up now and we get some free-flowing football.
Bruno Fernandes. Number 22, Park Ji-sung. Coming on the field, number 20, Serge Gnabry.
And here's Cristiano Ronaldo, deftly out wide. And that's another good win of the ball.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Number 17, number 24.
Pinches it off him. Shifted it to the flank. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Good ball, good take. It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done.
Well, that tackle was immense, and so was the relief. The great escape.
And here's Kukçu, and the shot! Oh, it's come off the upright. And it's been shipped out wide. Your impression so far, Jim?
I think the manager's pondering his options as to whether to stick or twist Peter in view of the time remaining. He might have a tough call to make now.
Foot in. That's a good intervention. That was what he had to make in the face of danger that was growing. Now it's Gnabry. And he's forced to go back. Kukçu. And that is a little undercooked.
They need to play this quicker in transitions like this. Well, that's certainly more like it. They can't let the intensity drop now, Peter.
They're coming again and again.
Well, the question now is whether they can sustain it.
Gnabry gets into a good position. Now this is Gnabry. Header! And it's hit the woodwork and out!
Substitution in progress.
Now this is Gnabry. Kukçu.
Manchester United clearly have been instructed to kill this off. Offence is the best form of defence.
Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Threads one in. Oh, that was vital.
Well, it's probably safe to say now, Peter, that it's going to be all about game management from here.
I think we're just about done here. Cute ball now, how can he reach it? It's a mighty effort! It's fallen kindly here! Sticks it away! And this is getting better and better. Some heroic goalkeeping, but even that couldn't save them this time.
And listen, last line of defence, and you don't get it right, then you're paying a visit to your net.
Serge Gnabry. Serge Gnabry.
And the referee brings it to a close. Manchester United can take all the spoils, and it is nothing less than what they are perfectly entitled to, following this splendid display of poise, potency and proficiency.
And they were sent packing.
Your final thoughts, Jim?
I think we just saw a team winning by playing to their strengths. There was a clear picture of what they set out to do, and the players were determined to deliver it. And they did.
Well, that's it from us. Thanks very much, Jim. It's a very good day to you from both of us.